Good morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine. Today again I am going to teach you social studies of class 4. So today we will begin lesson number 5 and the name of the lesson is Motions of the Earth, which is on page number 51. Now, do you know students how many types of motions of the earth? There are two types of motions of the earth, namely rotation and revolution. Rotation is the movement of the earth on its axis, and revolution is the movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed path or orbit. Now let us discuss rotation with the help of this example. This is earth. And what is rotation? Movement of the earth. This movement of the earth on its axis. Now what is axis? The line which runs through this point would be the axis for this earth. The earth rotates on its axis, and earth rotates from west to east direction. In this direction earth rotates. The topmost region is the north pole and the southmost region is the south pole. The axis is tilted an angle of 23.5 degrees. The earth is not upright. It is little bit tilted. It is tilted an angle of 23.5 degrees. I hope you understood about the rotation of earth. My dear students, as you already know that the rotation of earth is from west to east direction. The earth rotates from west to east direction. Do you know how much time it takes? The earth rotates once in about 24 hours. Now come to the revolution. What is revolution? The movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed path is called revolution. This fixed path called orbit. Do you know the earth moves in its orbit at the speed of 30 km per second? The earth takes 365 days, 6 hours and 8 minutes to complete one revolution around the sun. So, how much time the earth takes to complete one revolution around the sun? It takes 365 days. That means 1 year. That is why the year has 365 days. My dear students, one thing I have to ask, what do you think if the earth is revolving around the sun, does it stop rotating? Of course not. If the earth is revolving around the sun on its orbit, along with that earth is rotating on its axis. This rotation of the earth takes 24 hours, means 1 day, and the revolution of the earth It takes 365 days, around 1 year. Now come to the theme of the chapter, and the theme of the chapter is the earth, its movements and forms. Key concepts are shape of the earth, rotation of the earth, effects of rotation, revolution of the earth, effects of revolution. Now come to the next one. My dear students, you can see here are 3 pictures. Now what you have to do, you have to tick only on that object which have the same shape as our earth. Now come to the next topic, and the next topic is shape of the earth. The earth is spherical in shape, but it is not a perfect sphere. Its exact shape can be defined by the word geoid, which means earth-like. Now, what is the meaning of geoid? The geoid is the shape like the surface of the earth. What? The geoid is the shape like the surface of the earth. It is a 3D geometrical shape like an orange, and its shape of this kind called oblate spheroids. The earth is slightly flattened at the poles and bulging at the center. Let us understand with the help of this example. Just suppose this is your earth, and this is the axis, this is the north pole, and this is the south pole. This is the north pole and this is the south pole. So the earth is slightly flattened at the poles. Just suppose it is equator, and it is bulge at the center. That is why it is said that the earth is spherical in shape, but it is not perfect sphere. Now come to globe. The globe is a model of the earth. I think you all must have seen globe in the school or at your home. The globe is model of the earth, means the globe looks like a earth. It is also shaped like the earth. Its shape is also like the earth, and globe is also having axis on which it rotates like the earth. It also has 2 ends, north pole and the south pole. Like the earth, globe is also having the 2 ends, north pole and the south pole. With the help of a globe, we can easily understand movements of the earth. With the help of globe, what we can do? We can easily understand the movement of the earth. That is why we are having globe. Now come to the next topic, rotation of the earth. The movement of the earth on its axis. This is the axis. The movement of the earth on its axis is called rotation. Underline this sentence. The movement of the earth on its axis is called rotation. Have you ever watched ice skating or any other skating game? Have you noticed how beautifully the athlete rotates on her heels? She is actually rotating around an imaginary line passes vertically through her body. Like this axis, this is also an imaginary line. Like that, athletic actually rotate around an imaginary line passing vertically through her body. All this while rotating, all this uh, while rotating seems to rotate around an imaginary line called the axis. This axis is the imaginary line on which Earth rotates. Similarly, the Earth also rotates around its axis. The axis is an imaginary line which passes through the center of Earth. This is the imaginary line axis which passes through the center of the Earth, connecting the North Pole and the South Pole. The Earth's axis is not straight. It is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degree. The Earth rotates on this imaginary line from west to east. Even you can see in this picture, Earth is not upright. It is little bit tilted. And Earth always rotates from west to east. This is the reason that we see the sun rising in the east and setting in the west. The Earth completes one rotation on its axis in approximately 24 hours or one day. Rotation also causes winds and movement in the ocean. What this rotation does? The rotation also causes winds and movement in the ocean only because of the rotation of the earth. In our next session, I will teach you how are days and nights caused. Kindly read up to here. Thank you. Have a good day.